Hi, my name is Amber Lane, and I am the founder and executive director of Knowing Your Worth, Inc. Knowing Your Worth target population is teen girls between the ages of 11 and 18 years old. Our biggest thing that we love to do is mentoring, giving back, providing these girls a safe space to be vulnerable, release their feelings, and really understand what it means to be a great person, be a great friend, and also how to ask for help if needed. A lot of different initiatives that Knowing Your Worth is known for in the Oklahoma City area is our Project Prom, where we help girls that need help with going to prom and like the essentials. We're also known for giving away scholarships to graduating seniors, teen girls, that will be attending a four-year institution. And then we're also known for our big summit that we have every year, where we talk about mental health, physical health, how to prepare for college, knowing about different careers that these girls might be interested in, helping them network and connecting, and just having a lot of fun and just being vulnerable and networking with other teen girls their age. If you have a goal or vision, don't give up. I knew that I always wanted to start an organization for teen girls. I knew that this was my goal and my vision. I knew when I came back home to Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, that I was gonna launch this organization. I heard so many no's. You're not gonna do it. It's hard starting a nonprofit. You're not gonna receive any support. Everything under the rug, trying to stop me and give me negativity. But you know what? Nextep, you guys found me. I don't know how you guys found me, but you did. And I'm so happy that you guys have been able and willing to donate into my organization. I'm so ecstatic. I cannot wait to share this with my board. I cannot wait to share this with my family and friends, because this is just all the way up. So one thing I want to tell people is never give up. Never give up. You don't know who's watching. You don't know who wants to support you. And I'm happy, Nextep, that you took the chance to believe in my organization. Thank you.